Hello students, in this question we have given 3 cot A is equal to 4. The given information is 3 cot A is equal to 4 and we have to check if this value 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So the approach will be same. In all this question the approach will be same. First we have to check the value of cot theta. We have given 3 cot A is equal to 4. Then we will find the value of cot A. After that we will proceed just like previous question. So we have given 3 cot A is equal to 4. It means if we divide both sides LHS and RHS by 3, then we get cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. Now what we will do, we will draw a triangle. Let's say our triangle is this. This is a right angle triangle A, B, C, and this angle is theta. So we are calculating with respect to A. So this will be perpendicular, this will be base, and this will be hypotenuse. Now the value of cot theta is the ratio of base upon perpendicular. So BC upon AC. This is BC upon AC. In the next step, we assume let BC is equal to 4K and AC is equal to 3K. Does it make sense? Yes. We take K as a constant because when we take the ratio, then these two constants cancel out. Like if we take the ratio 4K upon 3K, then the both K and K cancel out and we will get the simpler ratio 4 upon 3. And the value of K may be 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, anything, any constant. Okay. So now we calculate the missing side AB. For that we use Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB is equal to under root the square of BC plus the square of AC. Now BC square plus AC square sums up gives us 16 plus 9, 25 under root 4K square plus 3K square. This gives us the square of 4 is 16 and the square of 3 is 9. This gives us 9 plus 16, 25 K square, and 25 is the square of 5. So this will give out 5K. I think this is clear to all. Now in the next step we will check whether this value and this value is equal or not. For this we have two approaches. The first one is we will calculate the value of tan, or the second one is we will change this tan into the form of cot. So the simpler form will be changing the value of tan A in the form of cot A. For this we will proceed like this. Our given equation is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. We know that tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. So we will use that. Here using that very thing we get 1 minus 1 upon cot square theta upon 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon cot square theta. So 1 upon cot square theta will be tan square theta. Here we will write in the bracket, since tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Now we will take the LCM and solve the both. After taking LCM we find this will reduce to cot square theta minus 1 upon cot square theta divided by cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square theta, and this cot square theta and this cot square theta get cancelled out and we get simplified result as cot square theta minus 1 upon cot square theta plus 1. We will put the value of cot square theta as 4 by 3 whole square minus 1 upon 4 by 3 whole square plus 1. After solving this, we will get 7 upon 25. How we will get 7 upon 25? We will just take the LCM. Then here the denominator will be 9. Numerator will be 16. 16 minus 9 gives us 7, and 16 plus 9 gives us 25. And this 3 gets cancelled out. You will solve this on your notebook. If you get any problem, that let me know in the comment section. So here we will get the value of this equation. This equation is equal to 7 by 25. Now I will erase the upper part to solve that very part. This part is cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square a minus sin square a. So we cannot change this form directly in the form of cot, the given information. What will we do? We will take the ratio. We will take the ratio. Cos is the ratio of base upon perpendicular, and sin is the ratio of cos is the ratio of base upon hypotenuse, and sin is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we will proceed like this. We have base as AC and hypotenuse as AB. Then this will be AC upon AB to the whole square minus BC upon AB to the whole square. Here we will put the values. Then AC is equal to 4k upon 5k to the whole square, and BC is equal to 3k upon 5k to the whole square. This will be 16. This k will be cancelled. 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25, and this subtract will give us 7 upon 25. So here this 7 upon 25, and here we also find the value 7 upon 25. It means both are same, because the both RHS values are same, hence the both LHS will be also same. We will suppose this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Now we will write, I will erase this. Everyone please take a screenshot. Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so what we find that both RHS was same, hence the both LHS will be also same. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. For cot A is equal to 4 by 3, or you can simply write for 3 cot A is equal to.
See you there.